Hello, Jeremy. Hello, Ram.
Hello.
컴퓨터에서 나온 소리? 지금 있는 컴퓨터에서.
Hi, 이반. 안녕하세요, 유란충님.
그래? 안녕하세요. 잠시만요. 안녕하세요.
네, 안녕하세요.
네, 안녕하십니까.
예, 아직 마이클이 안 들어와서 좀만 기다리시죠.
네네네. 알겠습니다.
음.
상훈이 아직 확인 안 되셨죠? 100핀짜리 있는지.
100핀이요?
네.
죄송합니다. 제가
제가 저기
100핀이 뭘 얘기하시는지
황준하 사모님한테 말씀드렸구나.
예.
제가 저희가 메모리 용량이 좀 모자라요. 지금 EDU JS 쓰잖아요.
네네.
저기 램 용량이 이제 256인데 혹시 ED16 중에는 512는 없죠?
Hello.
Hi, 바클랍. 예,
ED
512요?
17개월밖에 없나요? 네.
예, 17까지죠. 예.
17, 16은 없고
16 있죠.
512가 있어요? 16이?
램 메모리가 512인 거요?
네.
그렇진 않죠. 예, 이건 17에 있는 거고 램만 올라가 있는 건 없어요. 예.
그래요? ED17 중에 그럼 혹시 100핀짜리 있나요?
100핀짜리 없는 걸로 아는데요.
그래요? 큰일 났네. 망했다. 네, 알겠습니다.
네?
Hello, Ram. Hello, Jeremy. Hi, everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Hi,
joining.
Michael.
Hello.
Hi, Michael.
Hi, Ivan. Okay, guys, so I believe we can start.
Yeah,
so
sure.
I'm gonna be a little bit jumping from one topic to another. So currently, as you know, regarding the CPS Chinese proprietary protocol with integration, so initial software has been provided. Software is provided on IPOE. Sorry, I forgot what day it was, but it was last week. Last Friday, right? Ivan, if you remember.
Yes, that's correct.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. So it was. It was on 13. Oh yeah. Have you been able, Ram? Have you been able to validate it? Are you currently in progress of integration? Any concerns, issues?
Our charging software engineer checking for firmware to download the Huawei key, then I will check it.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you very much. So we'll keep it open. And now, of course, there's going to be a lot of items. So maybe I will skip or I will jump to this one. Have you been able to fix the authentication failures? Again, if you remember, there was the authentication issue with your integrated software, but we weren't able to replicate it on our end. Do you remember?
Sorry for that. I don't remember it. Then
인증 안 되시던 게 있었나요?
그 소프트웨어 엔지니어 분이 지금 주제라가지고 체크를 못했거든요. 이것도 CP?
That point I will discuss with our internal engineer. So if you have any test result or something, I will share via email to you, your side.
Okay, but maybe
Yeah.
just different question. What would
Mhm.
probably answer this? Are you still seeing issues with reaching 25 watts or 15 watts on your chargers? Because previously, if I remember well, you weren't able to reach 15 or 25 watts. What was
There's no
related
problem,
to
no.
authentication? There is no problem. So I believe that we can actually close it, and if there is any further issue, we can reopen it just in case.
Yeah.
Okay.
20W, 10W 다 잘 붙죠.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Excuse me. Thinking which one could be also closed. If there is anything. Phew. Okay. So I believe that we will need to move forward step by step. CPS support enhanced features. I will actually skip this one for now. Hardware schematics. We received your last. Do we have Václav here? Sorry. Yes. There was request to remove one operational amplifier, and I believe for the input current measurement. Correct me if I'm wrong, Václav, please. So Ivan also provided our results that the current measurement from CPS wasn't as accurate as with this operation amplifier. So just wanted to check with you if the current state of the hardware with our proposals is acceptable, or if there is any other specific modification that is required to decrease the BOM, or how do you see it? Ram or anybody?
선생님 이거 확인해봤어요?
이거 하드웨어 쪽이라서 저도 잘 모르겠네요.
Just 1 second.
No problem.
Can you go to the next topic, because my hardware engineer is checking now.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to another one, EPP G2.2 versus G2.1. So there is the good news is that NXP recently, or our team recently, released software capable of G2.21 on the EPP on our reference design only for so far. So in the next steps, we can let's say start porting this latest library. And what I would like to check with you today is if there is some estimated schedule, when do you need to provide demonstration to your customer, or if there's any deadline when the latest library has to be provided. So I believe, Ram, this would be question to you. When is expected a newer library capable of G2.21?
이거 언제까지 시점이 들어간 거 언제까지 고객한테 때문에 문제일까요? 전혀 모르죠.
지금 일정이랑 관련이 저희 지금 일정은
So actually, the next sample target is calendar 17. So what do you think about that schedule? Calendar week 17.
What do you mean with the sample target?
So customer
Customer visit?
sample.
잠시만.
Do you mean like you built the new boards, or you mean the demonstration to customer?
Demonstration to customer.
Demonstration to customer, okay.
Yeah.
Which is like 5 weeks from now.
Yeah.
And do I understand correctly, it's a must-have for the upcoming demonstration?
No. Just the information.
No.
So yeah.
네, 맞아요.
So how long time does you need to get the chip 2.1?
그 강주아 부모님한테 중증이 오늘
Okay, so understand. So
받으면
let me put it this way. I would probably go with the next steps, with the next items, because there are still a lot of, let's say, kind of items that we have to clarify with you. And based on that, we will decide and we will provide a better and more accurate schedule to you, what would be depending on the prioritization with you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So I will put it like nice to have to indeed. Okay. Library integration we already discussed. Oh yeah, and this is the big one. Have you been able to discuss our proposal with OEM and if that would be acceptable? And I'm speaking about a single digital ping requirement.
Yeah. We are still discussion internally for the single data ping. But okay, let me say. Give me 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Can I share my screen?
Absolutely. Please go ahead.
Yeah, our first target is we can check out the analog ping and Q factor. But yeah, you already told me there's no any other differences for the coil to the coil. So almost the same analog ping, I think. So we cannot use that concept. But the next concept is the storage area is not too big. So the center coil, at the first time, though, we can make a digital ping only the center coil. And then after the 700 microsec, we can make another digital ping, coil 1 or 3. So there's my concept. So, but this is just a concept, so we can discuss internally for the target. You get my point. You can see the email like this.
Yeah, I can see, but this is the first time I'm seeing it, honestly. So ideally, if you can forward it to us so we can internally review it and we'll probably get back to you on our statement.
Okay.
I don't think that Ivan, we would be able probably to provide any statement at this point, right? So we will need the information from you, Ram, and we can get back to you.
Okay. Yeah. I will share this proposal to you.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to share my screen again. It's fine. Oops, sorry, it wasn't here. Okay. All right, so let's move forward. The Q factor measurement. Sorry, the Q factor itself. Have you been able to validate our proposal for the Q factor? Can we close it? Are we all agreeing that we will move forward with our solution and not purely the CPS one? Of course, it is also tied to the BOM cost, obviously.
Okay. That topic is also we need a charging engineer, but still he is not in the office, so we can check after this meeting. I will check it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ASK. This is another big one. So it was provided in the latest software for EPP. The latest method Ivan worked on. It's some kind of combination of the CPS and also analog signal. So have you been also able to validate it yet on the EPP project? I guess not.
If I can just add to this, so these
Sure, go
issues
ahead.
for the EPP are mostly related to the certification. So if you are only testing with the phones, you weren't possibly seeing this issue. So yeah, this is more pre-certification issue which was solved by the hybrid ASK. It's going to be more recognizable at the MPP project, because there were issues in the past with some iPhones at 00 location, but this should be solved with this hybrid ASK. But so far, we still need to release the software on MPP with the hybrid, because on the last release on MPP it wasn't implemented. So yeah. The next release it will be in place, and you can test it and focus on MPP robustness.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Ivan, for the comment. Okay, ADC channels code cleaning. I believe we can close it, right, Ivan? I think it was done.
Yeah, it's done on a release, which was provided at Friday.
Okay. Sorry, silly question. Do we have to also provide it on the MPP? I believe so, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I will. MPP pending. So I will still keep it open till it's completely done. Analog ping. Ram, any update? Have you been able to validate it? Any good news, please?
Nothing special now.
Okay. Okay, so please, if you can get feedback from your team, so we can close at least some of these items, because it's getting hard to track all the items, and I believe many of them are probably already closed. So
Okay.
Okay, no worries.
I think next meeting we can close it.
Okay, sounds good.
And to go back to the OPM topic. So I
The
checked
hardware
with
schematic?
my yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So the CPS asked me to compare again by the adding a 1 ohm series resistor to the signal line, plus minus, input the sensing side.
I'm sorry, with one.
I have a few questions, Ram, for this. So I think you also checked the data which I provided to you and you forwarded to the CPS, I suppose, if you can please confirm. And this was their response that we should add 1 ohm resistor and check again? I see. Yeah, we can do a quick test. That shouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
And do you know where specifically we should put this 1 ohm resistor? Should be before the shunt or after the shunt, or it doesn't matter?
The signal line. Just 1 second. Sensing side, input the sensing side, signal line, as signal lines. So you need more information? Where we can... just 1 second.
Yeah, maybe if you have some kind of screenshot of the schematic where to put it, maybe if it would be the best. Or if you can somehow, let's say, draw it in the Microsoft Paint or anywhere else, so we can better understand how to place it.
But I suppose this is not going to be the final solution, right? This is just for some verification, because 1 ohm resistor is going to create a lot of heat when it's going to be put in an output of DC-DC. So correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, this is probably not the final solution, just the iteration step with the debugging.
Can you open the schematic? We need 1 ohm at R521 and 520.
또 OD를 오픈에어 큐브 V를 이고
Václav, are you following? Would it be possible to open the schematic, or I'm not sure if BHVS team is actually going to open it?
Okay, I'll send it by email. Yeah, with the schematic.
Yeah, I'm following it. I know what you mean. Currently, the measurement was done with 10 ohm resistors on these signals because we used the same connection what you had previously in your schematic. So currently, there was a 10 ohm resistor implemented in this signal.
Okay.
Well, guys, I really apologize. Václav, if you have it open, maybe can you share it and just to present it? I just want to be sure that we are on the same page, because I don't think that we are currently.
Of course.
Yeah, thank you. I just want to be 100% sure that we didn't miss anything.
Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes, I can see.
So basically, we are talking about these two resistors.
Yeah, it's correct. Yeah.
So currently we use the same setup as for Ina with two 10 ohms current sensor resistors.
Sorry, I think
So
the
we are
sound is
losing
probably,
yeah. Your voice is somehow
alien, like an alien.
yeah.
Sorry.
Now it's better.
Yeah,
Better?
it's good.
Yeah. So basically, as I said, we used 10 ohm resistors for this measurement. It is the same setup as for this input current measurement circuit and the same setup as you had previously in your schematics. So right now it was with 10 ohm resistors measured.
Ram,
Okay,
I also send you in the chat the modification which we done during the testing. I apologize that I didn't put it in an email, but it's in a chat, so you can double check with the CPS if this is all what should be done.
Okay.
And if there are any other ideas, but we already did this resistor low pass filter, and it didn't help much. So yeah.
Okay. Now we are have a modification for the schematic. So next Monday I will share it the new schematic. So please refer it.
Yeah, and also if there is any communication with the CPS, you can involve us just to be informed and on the same page.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, guys, for the clarification. Okay, I've also put it in the open item list. I'm going to share it again. Okay. Any other comments to excuse me, Harvest schematic? Oh yeah, actually I did have the question not related to ASK. Oh, sorry. No. Taking back. So any other comment to Harvest schematic to pick?
Nothing special, but there's some possibility to change our chips because of the very short and narrow space for the memory. So we are considering for about the 2D1617. So not fixed yet. So
wow.
After, yeah, it's a big issue. Yes, it's a big issue.
Oh yeah.
But not confirmed yet. So we are checking some solutions. So yep. Really, if we want, I will share to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just to be clear, this modification or this change would have to be discussed also with our product owner, Jan Horak and Václav Halbich. Of course, Jeremy, I'm pretty sure that you are also on top of it. Because I'm honestly not 100% sure what's the availability of this chip at this point. And of course, it would definitely put some risk on it, but just due to the software delay and so on, because we would have to port everything to the newer chip. So it's really hard to say what would be the impact. But yeah, okay, I understand.
Yeah, right. Okay, there's no problem. And the additional topic I don't have, so I think we can close the day.
Okay, sounds good. All right, thank you, Ram. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
유람청이님, 잠깐만. 유람청이님.
네, 말씀하십시오.
예. 그 백핀 패키지 어디서 들으신 거예요?
아니요.
지금
저희가 지금 100핀 쓰고 있는데
지금 2메가 버전에서 2D16에서 2메가 쓰고 계신 거죠? 그래서 2D17로 가셔야 되는데 그 100핀이 없어서 문제신라고 보시는 거죠?
일단은 하드웨어적인 문제는 그렇고 이제 2D17로 가면 어쨌거나 또 라이브러리 좀 대폭 수정될 것 같거든요. 그래서 뭐 확정된 건 아니고 지금 찾아보고는 있어요, 솔루션을.
예, 일단은
네.
일단 메모리 측면에서
2D17에서 100핀은 없는 거잖아요, 그렇죠?
현재 없는데요. 제가 지금 보니까 100핀 버전을 지금 얘 MCU가 저희 S32 K3랑 같은 MCU인 거 아시죠?
잠시만요. 도일이 형님 제가 전화로 드릴게요.
네네네. 네.
전화 드릴게요. 전화.
네. 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 됐습니다.
그렇습니다.